17 years in a row. One insurer keeps winning. Here's why that matters to you. And real quick, if you want to snag a discount or special offer on your insurance, the link is right there in the description below. Go ahead and bookmark it. We'll remind you at the end. So, let's talk about Amica Insurance. Founded in 1907, Amica is the oldest mutual insurer of automobiles in the United States. They cover auto, home, renters, life, marine, umbrella insurance, and annuities. Pretty full lineup. Now, about that 17-year streak. J.D. Power has ranked Amica #1 in customer satisfaction among national homeowners insurers, 17 years in a row. That is not a typo. 17. And in 2026, they also took the top spot for home insurance claims experience and renters insurance satisfaction. That's a clean sweep. Forbes named them one of America's best insurance companies for the 5th year running. AM Best gives them an A+. That's a superior rating. And Money Magazine called them the best homeowners insurance of 2025. The receipts are there. Here's something most people don't know. Because Amica is a mutual insurer, their dividend policies can actually return up to 20% of your premiums back to you. That's real money back in your pocket. Now, what about USAA? USAA is a financial services company built specifically for military members, veterans, and their families. And within that community, they are deeply trusted and widely loved. But when it comes to publicly available third-party rankings and awards, the data just isn't as robust as Amica's. So if you're not military affiliated, Amica is the clear frontrunner on every measurable metric we could find. Bottom line, if you want an insurer with a proven award-winning track record, Amica is hard to beat. And don't forget, click the link in the description below to get your discount or special offer. It takes about 30 seconds and could save you a lot. You've got nothing to lose.